Greetings, this is Learning Basic Vocabulary with Rahul Mahashabde. Learning vocabulary is crucial yet a difficult task. It requires persistent and never-ending passion for acquiring new words and their meanings. Moreover, retaining them is still an uphill quest. To retain it is necessary that a learner must revise the vocabulary repeatedly at a regular interval. To all of you, those who are watching this video, they should watch these videos often so that they would be able to grasp and retain the vocabulary. My best luck to all of the aspirant. Introduction. Adage. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched, or early bird gets the worm is well-known saying. A well-known wise statement. These wise sayings represent old pre-existing truths. These may be interesting observations, ethical rules, or skeptical comments on life in general. They are adages, well-known phrases expressing well-accepted truth. Definition. Today's word is adage. Its spelling is A-D-A-G-E. Its pronunciation is adage. Word category, it belongs to noun, and word family is noun. It can exist as a plural, so it can be adages. The meanings are a proverb or short statement expressing a general truth, or well-known phrase expressing a general truth about people or the world, or a saying often in metaphorical form that typically embodies a common observation. Synonyms are aphorism, apothegm, byword, epigram, maxim, proverb, and saying. Examples. Scientists have shown that there is a degree of truth in old adage that love is blind. They still exchange mnemonic sayings, adages, and proverbs. The adage that truth is often stranger than fiction is a huge understatement. According to old adage, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and a thing of beauty goes. An old adage is joy forever. Discussion. An adage is a general truth or saying that is well accepted. All over the world they are liked and used day in day out. Sometimes an adage belonging to folk wisdom may put truth briefly. It is a proverb. Adage describing moral rule is known as maxim. A brief or concise expression adage that is distinguished by depth or excellent style is known as aphorism, whereas one distinguished by wit or irony is often defined as epigram. An overused adage is called cliché or truism or old saying, old saw. So this is for today's vocabulary, and we'll meet with new word. Till then, it's goodbye, and goodbye from me. Thank you very much.